Hi, my name's Ian. I'm from Total Solutions Group. We're a UK-based manufacturing company in the live entertainment industry. We specialise in making modular standard aluminium truss components from all sizes, from very small, 30 centimetre, all the way to large scale components. The other half of our business is completely bespoke manufacturing. That might be for opening and closing ceremonies, for large scale sporting events, bespoke designs for theatres, any other applications that people can think of that use lightweight aluminium structures. Easy to get in, easy to get out. We're a one-stop shop. We can help from any issue that you've got, any solution that you've got to solve, and feel free to visit us on our website, which is www.trussing.com.